Begin in the name of Allah, the Lord of mankind, the King of kings. Unit 2.2 Glory and Hope. Nelson Mandela is in progress. Dear students, before starting the new paragraphs, let me answer the question I asked yesterday. What's Amnesty International? Amnesty International is an international organization. It works to help people who have been put in prison for their beliefs or because of their color, race, religion. It's also opposed to torture and capital punishment. It was established in Britain in 1961 and now has members in over 150 countries. Dear students, the word which remained unexplained in yesterday's lecture is bridge. Bridge has several meanings. 1. Bridge over a river. 2. The upper part of a nose is called bridge. 3. The middle part of a pair of glasses is called bridge. The middle part of a violin from which strings spread is called bridge. Dear students, look at the word meanings in order to have a full grasp over the words coming in the new paragraphs. We dedicate this day to all the heroes and heroines in this country and the rest of the world who sacrificed in many ways and surrendered their lives so that we could be free. Great leaders do not forget the sacrifices of the common people. Their dreams have become reality, freedom is their reward. We are both humbled and elevated. Elevated means raised. A sentence, I am humbled, means to express one's humility or smallness in the face of occasion or honor being given. And privilege that you, the people of South Africa, have bestowed on us as the first president of a united democratic non-racial. Non-racial means no racial discrimination. Non-sexism. Non-sexism means no gender discrimination. Of South Africa to lead our country out of the valley of darkness. We understand at still that there is no easy road to freedom. We know it well that none of us acting alone can achieve success. We must therefore act together as united people for national reconciliation. National reconciliation is the term used for establishment of so-called national unity in countries beset with political problems, nation building, and for the birth of a new world. Let there be justice for all, let there be peace for all, let there be work, bread, water, and salt for all. Let each know that for each the body, the mind, and the soul have been freed to fulfill themselves. Never, never, and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another and suffer the indignity. Indignity means humiliation of being the skunk of the world, the dirty, the contemptible person of the world. The sun shall never set so glorious. The achievement has been labeled as glorious because people have worked hard to achieve it and many have lost their lives. He says that the sun shall never set again, which means that the country shall never have to face oppression again. Let freedom reign, let freedom rule over South Africa. God bless South Africa. To sum up, Nelson Mandela accepts that there is no easy road to freedom, but he is hopeful that through national reconciliation they will have a free land where the people will have bread, water, and salt, and they will never be labeled as the skunk of the world. This is all for today, and I will be back with a new video soon, inshallah.